How to remove people from share list on TikTok. Hey everyone, if you're trying to remove your friend list or friends from your TikTok share list, this is how you do it. Open up your TikTok first, and then from here, what you want to do is tap on the share, and here you'll find all of the lists that might be your friend or that have been recommended to you. So if you want to remove any of them, what you need to do first is tap on them, and once you tap on their profile, you will be able to send them some TikToks. So, what you can do is just head over to your profile by checking it on your inbox. You can just go ahead and tap on inbox, and then from here, just tap on their profile. Now, tap on their profile name to visit their profile, and you'll be landed on this page. And if you tap on the settings menu down below or right besides the message button, you can just head over to their profile settings where you can customize their name or unfollow them. Unfollowing them will make sure to remove them, but if you want to be sure to remove them from your share list, you tap on the top right corner on the share option or the arrow option, and then here you'll find the block option. So if you block them, it should be removed from their they should be removed from the share list. As you can see, they're no longer there. So let's just try it again one more time. Tap on the profile that you want to remove, and then from here just head over to inbox, tap on that profile, head over there to the profile, and then block them from top right. Now they should be removed from the profile, and that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you next one.